Good morning, Mananda. My name is Vinka. I tell you one story. The story name is Lion and the Mouse. There was a lion and a mouse in the jungle. One afternoon, a lion was sleeping. One mouse came and disturbed him. Lion got angry. Lion said to mouse, "How dare you disturb me? I will eat you now." Mouse said to lion, "I'm sorry, Mr. Lion. I will never disturb you again. Please spare me. I promise to help you. If you ever need it." Lion laughed at the mouse. "How will you help me? But okay, I will leave you now." A few days later, a lion was trapped in a hunter's net and roared. The mouse heard the lion's song and ran to help the lion. The mouse picked the net. After that, lion was free. They became best friends.
End of the Lion and Mouse story.